We're taking a look at the HUAWEI MateView GT 43-inch 1500R curved gaming monitor. This monitor is great for video editing, gaming, watching movies, and also working using split screen on the same curved screen. Here we're looking at the features: 165Hz refresh rate, WQHD 3440 by 1440 resolution. It's a monitor with a built-in soundbar with touch volume control. This curved monitor has a 21:9 ultra wide aspect ratio, which is great for using split screen with only using the one monitor. This is great for video editing, as you can see a large proportion of the timeline whilst keeping your tabs up on the left and the right hand side. You can also connect this to your work laptop to work from home. This monitor has 100% of sRGB, 85% of Adobe RGB, and 91% of P3. The sound from the soundbar is crisp and clear. This is a dual 5-watt speaker. Here we can adjust the volume by tapping once and sliding left to lower the volume, tap again and slide right to increase the volume. While sound is playing, if you double tap it will mute the sound. This soundbar comes attached to the monitor stand. When gaming, this monitor has a gaming assist, allowing you to brighten up some of the darker spots in a game to make players stand out a little more that's trying to hide. On the monitor you also have an option to add a cross in the middle of the screen, which is to help you shoot on target. This monitor is simple to put together and easy to adjust. You can simply push the monitor down to adjust it going lower and pull it up to go higher, and you can also lean the screen back or forward. On the top of the monitor we have dual mics with a range of 4 meters to pick up your voice, and has background noise cancellation. The monitor simply clicks onto the circular part of the stand. So you have the monitor and the stand, so there's only 2 parts to this. And if you wanted to mount this monitor to a wall, you simply remove the bracket and you'll see 4 threaded holes, allowing you to mount this monitor to a bracket if you choose to have this on a wall. On the far left we have a USB Type-C for the power. We then have HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Then we have a display port and another USB Type-C and a 3.5mm audio slot. This allows you to plug in your own speakers or headphones. The button under the monitor in the middle of the screen will show you your menu. This is where you'll adjust all your settings to suit your needs. It's a circular button that you can tilt left or right, up or down to go through the menus. Here you can see the price of the monitors. I'll leave links in the description below for you to check them out. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.